This is a secret Puerto Los Cabos swim up oceanfront room, and it is stunning. So first, let's walk in and see this enormous bathroom. You have a soaking tub, separate water closet, 2 sinks, a nice big walk-in shower. Here's the other sink. And then we walk out here. And we've got two beds in this room, a cute little sitting area, closet, TV, all the normal things, but this is absolutely stunning. First, we have to get it open. This is our swim up oceanfront. We have our own pool. They're set up for a wedding. This is beautiful for a few days of rest and relaxation.